All right, Matt in Nashville is going to be excited because we got some Tesla talk. Kicking it off, the EV maker reported record deliveries for the first quarter. Still fell short of expectations, though. Tesla delivered over 422,000 vehicles with its Model 3 and Model Y vehicles as the top sellers. But expectations were calling for around 432,000. Kenny, will you and your boy 8Baller be trading Tesla today in the Warlocks world?
You know when you've got a friend that just knows more than you? That's 8Ball with Tesla. I'm gonna wait for him to tell me what to do on that name because that dude, he called the top, he called the bottom. So again, it's one of those things. Just like the Oxy and Garrett. I'll wait for Garrett to tell me when to buy Oxy. I'll wait for 8Ball to tell me what to do with Tesla. More or less, I don't trade it because that's the QQQ to me.
Deal. All right. So we have to see what 8Baller is going to be up to with Tesla. I love it. Elsewhere, though, in the EV sector, we got some China-based rivals. BYD posted huge first quarter numbers over the weekend, while Li, XPEV, NIO also reported results. Shah, you tracking any tradable setups in China EV stocks?
Yeah, I've been bullish on China. More likely constructive is probably a better word. I still think that Chinese stocks have ways to go higher as far as the EV makers. My favorite is NIO. I think it's got the best opportunity to become profitable first. But they all look pretty cheap down here. I think they're all worth a play. Particularly get XPeng, XPEV symbol trading around $11. I think it's going to open a little higher today. Bang for your buck wise. That's a pretty good stock to take a flyer with. They're a long way from being profitable, but we know that China wants to push the EV marketplace. They're going to push really hard, and I think that's going to bode well for all of the stocks.
Mark, we got some great delivery numbers, as you could see. Are you seeing any EV flow with big money?
Nothing. We started to see NIO pick up again a little bit the last few days, which I was surprised by because it had been so dead. Tesla, just, you see a lot of conversion reversal paper. You don't really see a lot of giant orders stepping in. We did have some buyers of the 197.5 puts on Friday, but nothing massive. And XPEV, I'm looking right now. Not a ton heading into this weekend, believe it or not. So NIO's the only one that we've seen kind of a marketable increase. The one name that actually has seen a giant uptick in volume in the EV space is Nikola. I know, Nikola. We had a trader do a 1x4 call spread on Friday. They bought 10,000 of the 2 calls to sell 40,000 of the 10 calls, taking in a 2-cent credit. Huge bull front spread looking for a move back to $10. So that's the only EV maker that we saw any giant flow out of over the last couple of days.
Wow, a move over $10. Meanwhile, Nikola is trading right about $1.20. Yeah,
I know.
Yeah.
I don't think it's going to happen, but it's a cheap bet. You're getting paid to take that bet, which is
exactly
a smart setup.
Maybe knowing that those delivery numbers were going to be good, they wanted to get that out.